Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So you're getting started on you want to sell products on Amazon, and you're trying to figure out how to ship the products from China straight to the Amazon FBA warehouse. And you already find a supplier, you already found the products, and you just figuring out how can you ship the products, straight from the suppliers over in China to the Amazon warehouse. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. Okay, so follow along. I hope this video is useful. So I created a slideshow right here showing you guys how to do it step by step. So I'll hop onto the first slideshow here. And okay, so first you want to hop onto Amazon Service Seller Center. If you don't have an account, create one. I'm sure you already have an account. Okay, so you want to hop over to vital information, and then you got the product ID right here. Here you can select the UPC and all the barcodes right here. So this product ID, this is where you're going to enter the barcodes that you're going to purchase on the next slide that I'm going to show you. Then you can put the product name, the brand name right here, etc., etc. Over here you can purchase these barcodes, GTI barcodes right here. There's different website you can go on and purchase this barcode. Especially, you can purchase the UPCs or the EAM barcode here, right here. Check it out. This is a website right here that you can go on and purchase the barcode here, nationwide barcode. These are the barcodes that are going to help you generate the shipping label, okay? So you want to purchase the barcode, and then after that, you're going to hop back over to Amazon Seller Center, and then you select offer right here, and then you click on the your price, your item price, seller skill, condition, new, and then you want to go to fulfillment channel, and you select the option. I want Amazon to ship and provide customer service for my item if they sell. So and then you click on save and finish. Okay, and that's gonna take about 30 minutes for your listing to post. All right, so you got that so far. Okay, and then you're gonna hop back over to the Amazon Seller Center, and then select on the manage inventory right here, and select on your item down here, and then go up here to action, and go ahead and select change to fulfill by Amazon. All right, next slide. I hope I'm not going too fast. I hope you guys are keeping up. If you have any questions, comment below. And then here you're gonna go to convert fulfill by Amazon here, and you're just gonna go ahead and convert and send inventory. All right, click on that. All right, so requirement product information. Here you're going to fill up all the required responses right here, and then pretty simple, really, self-explanatory. And then you click submit, and then after that you're gonna go back to inventory, and then you're gonna click on manage inventory. And then after that, you're going to select your item over here, and then you're going to go up to the top left option, and then select print item label. All right, next slide. And then this print labels for individual products gonna pop up right here. Specific the numbers of labels to print for each SKU, and click to print the item label. So you go ahead and click the item, print the item labels right here. All right, and here's the barcode. It's gonna come over the label right here, and these are the barcodes that go onto the individual item, your products. and you have to send this barcode to the supplier, and the supplier will put this barcodes on the product, on the individual product. All right, and that's how the Amazon warehouse is gonna recognize your product every time you make a sale. All right. Okay, so you want to save this product into your desktop. All right. I mean, save this barcode. My bad. And then next, you want to hop back over to the manage inventory again. Go back up to option, action, and select on your item again. And then this time you want to go send and replenish inventory option. All right. Next slide. All right, over here, send and replenish inventory. Here, you're going to select case package product, and then click continue to shipping plans. Okay. All right. So here you got all the um, uh, the packages dimensions right here. This section right here, you're going to discuss it with your supplier. Your supplier will tell you the size of the boxes and the dimension of the package that you're going to ship, and the unit per case and the number of cases right here. This right here you discuss with your supplier. All right. Okay, so next, basically fill it out, then you press save, and then we go ahead and proceed to the next slide. All right, so you're gonna figure out how many units per case and a number of cases. Okay, and then you go ahead and click continue, and then select who preps. You want to select on merchant right here, and go ahead and hit continue. All right, and then you can create a new shipping name for it. You can name it whatever you want, the shipping name. And over here, it should show you how many units you're shipping, how many cases, and then the location that they're going to ship your package to. Right here. This is where the Amazon FBA warehouse is at right here. So they're going to show you that. You can click approve shipment. All right. Okay. You can view the shipment content and then go ahead and click the approve shipment. All right. And then on the next shipping service, you're going to select whatever services you want to select. That's up to you. UPS, FedEx, whatever. Got it? Okay, good. All right. And then this area right here, you can talk to your suppliers, and then figure out all the numbers, how much the box weigh, the shipment quantity, unit per boxes, etc. Number of boxes, total quantity, all that, and then click confirm. And then shipping charges, and then they're gonna calculate your shipping charges, and then go ahead and click confirm, and then print out the box label right here. You want to print out the box label because this label is gonna go on the boxes which contain all your products with this barcode SKU numbers on them. Okay. And you go ahead and accept the charges. All right. All right. After you accept the charges, and then you go ahead and print out the box label, and then complete shipment. Okay. So you're gonna send. There's two things you're gonna send to your supplier. You're gonna send them the box label, and then the the barcodes, the SKU barcode number that goes into the individual products. All right, and then the box label is gonna have the Amazon FBA warehouse address, so they know where to ship your products. Know what I'm talking about? Alright, so that's the end of it. I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, I hope this video is helpful. And if you wanna consider subscribe or like the video, to support me on the algorithm. I'm just up late, making this content. I hope this video will help. Because when I got started in my Amazon business, I was struggling trying to figure out the information and what to do and all that, and I couldn't find a video on YouTube that would explain how to ship products straight from directly from China to the Amazon FBA warehouse. So I'm making this video right now to help you guys out, and yeah, I hope this video will help. Um, and that's the end. This is the end of the video, and have a good night. About to go hit the bed. About to go to sleep. Peace.